In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your website's text using the Wix editor. Getting the right look and feel for your site is essential, and adjusting your text design is a significant part of that process. So let's dive in and make sure your website looks just the way you want it. First, you'll want to open up the Wix editor. This is where all the magic happens, allowing you to modify almost every aspect of your website. Once you're in the editor, keep an eye out for the menu bar on the left-hand side of your screen. This menu is your gateway to customizing different parts of your site. Now, find and select the menu option. This is where you can start tweaking aspects like design, layout, and navigation to better suit your brand. Once you've selected the menu, it's time to dive into the design section. This option allows you to personalize features like colors, fonts, and backgrounds. Here's where you can really let your creativity flow. Now let's focus on the text. Under the design section, you'll find an option specifically for text. The text design is crucial as it ensures your message is clear and visually appealing. Upon clicking the text option, you'll be presented with a range of settings to modify your text. You can change font styles, sizes, alignments, and more. Let's zoom in on adjusting the font size. Choosing an appropriate font size can make your content more readable and aesthetically pleasing. As you navigate through the text settings, you'll find the font size option. This setting lets you adjust how large or small your text appears. Keep in mind that readability is key, so opt for a size that is both suitable for your audience and consistent with the rest of your site's design. After settling on your desired font size and making sure everything fits well in your design, the next step is crucial: saving your changes. There's nothing worse than losing all your hard work, so make sure to click on the Save button. This ensures that all your edits are kept and your website reflects the latest changes you've implemented. And that's it! You've successfully customized your website text using the Wix editor. With these simple steps, you can enhance readability and create a more visually appealing site. Just remember, great design is all about consistency and clarity. So, take your time, experiment with different styles, and create a site that truly represents you and your brand. Thank you for watching, and happy editing!